Hi everyone, myself Danitis, pursuing BE in SVC. I welcome you all to my presentation and my topic is Fundamental Rights Article 22 to 32. The first is Introduction to Fundamental Rights Article 22 to 32. The fundamental rights are defined as a basic human rights of all the citizens. The Constitution of India guaranteed elaborate fundamental rights to its citizens in Part 3 of the Constitution. So it is very essential for an individual for his all routine development. Fundamental rights are set of human rights that are protected under international law. These rights are outlined in Article 22 to 32 of various human rights instruments. They are essential for the protection and dignity of every individual. Next is right to social security, Article 22. Everyone as a member of society has the right to social security and is entitled to realization through national effort and international cooperation and in accordance with the organization and resource of each state of the economic, social, and cultural rights indispensable for his dignity and the free of development of his personality. The right encompasses access to healthcare, unemployment benefits, and retirement pension. Governments should ensure a social security system that provides a decent standard of living for all. Next is Right to Work, Article 23. Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 23. Right to desirable work and to join trade unions. Everyone has the right to work, to free choice of employment, to just and favorable conditions of work, and to protection against unemployment. Everyone, without any discrimination, has the right to equal pay for his work. The right includes the right to fair wages, equal pay for equal work, and the right to form and join trade union. Government should strive to create an environment that promotes full employment and protects workers' rights. And the next is right to rest and leisure. Article 24. Everyone has the right to rest and leisure, including reasonable limitation of working hours and periodic holidays with pay. Everyone has the right to rest and leisure, including reasonable working hours and periodic holidays. This right allows individuals to balance their work and personal lives, ensuring physical and mental well-being. Government should establish policies that promote work-life balance and protect workers for exploitation. And the next is right to an advocate standard of living, Article 25. Everyone has the right to standard of living advocate for the health and well-being of himself and of his family, including food, clothing, housing, and medical care and necessary social services, and the right to security in the event of unemployment, sickness, disability, widowhood, old age, or other lack of livelihood in circumstances beyond his control. The right ensures us that individuals can enjoy a decent quality of life and fulfill their basic needs. Government should take measures to eradicate poverty and ensure equal access to essential resources. Next is right to education, Article 26. Everyone has the right to education, which should be free and compulsory at the primary level. This right encompasses equal access to quality education, vocational training, and lifelong learning opportunities. Government should promote inclusive education system and eliminate barriers to education for all. And the next is right to participate in cultural life, Article 27. Everyone has the right to freely participate in cultural life, to enjoy the arts, and to share in scientific advancement. These rights include the preservation and promotion of cultural heritage and diversity. Government should protect and promote cultural expressions and ensure access to cultural activities for all. And next is right to a democratic society, Article 29. Everyone has the right to live in a democratic society that upholds the rule of law and respects human rights. These rights includes the freedom of thought, expression, assembly, and association. Governments should create an enabling environment for active citizens' participation and protect democratic institutions. And the next is right to peaceful assembly and association, Article 30. Everyone has the right to peaceful assembly and association, including the right to form and join organization. This right enables individuals to collectively express their opinion and advocate for their rights. Government should protect the right to peaceful protest and ensure the freedom of association. And the next is right to participate in public affairs. Article 31. The right to dissent, a guide to international law obligation to respect, protect, and fulfill the right of all persons to participate in a public affair by engaging in criticisms, opposition, and dissent. Everyone has the right to participate in the government of their country directly or through free chosen representatives. This right includes the right to vote, stand for election, and have access to public service positions. Government should ensure equal and meaningful participation in decision-making processes. And the next is right to social and international order, Article 28. Everyone is entitled to a social and international order that promotes the realization of human rights. This right emphasizes the importance of global cooperation and solidarity. Government should work towards a just and equitable international system that respects and protects human rights. And the last is conclusion. Six fundamental rights in India. Number one, right to equality. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18 prohibits the inequality on the basis of caste, religions, place, or birth, race, and gender. It ensures equal rights for all citizens. Number two, right to freedom. These rights, Article 19, 20, 21A, and 22, are freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of movement throughout the territory of our country, freedom to practice any profession, freedom to reside in any part of the country. However, these rights have their own restrictions. Number 3. Right against exploitations. Right against exploitation, Article 23 and 24. Human trafficking, child labor, forced labor, making it an offense punishable by law. Number 4. Right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28. It guarantees religious freedom and ensure the secular state in India. All people have freedom of conscience and right to speech, practice and propagate any religion of their choice. Number 5. Culture and educational rights. Article 29 to 30 Culture rights protects the rights of culture, religious and linguistic minorities by enabling them to conserve their heritage and protecting them against discrimination. Educational rights ensure education for everyone irrespective of their caste, gender, religion, etc. And the last is number 6. Right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32 to 35, empower the citizen to move to a court of law in case of any dental of the fundamental rights. Thank you.